Welcome back. Now, Sales Navigator will also recommend leads to you, which you can access through this link in the Discover menu. What you can then do is you can find the individuals that have been posting on LinkedIn, and you can sort for those individuals. You can then access these individuals in terms of their profile, and you can then access their most recent activity. So for example, what you can do is you can click this See More button, and then you can find the content and posts that they have on LinkedIn so that you can interact with them. Now, the leads that you have here in the Discovery area are based on the sales preferences that you have set up, and you can edit those sales preferences if you want to make them more accurate. You scroll down to the bottom, you can add in additional industries, you can add in different geographies, and you can add in different company sizes. You can also add in different functions, which will then broaden out your searches. You can also add in different levels of seniority, which will again broaden out the number of people that you will be seeing inside of Sales Navigator. So what Sales Navigator does is it allows you to curate those individuals that you are going to be interacting with, and it allows you to do so much faster than if you were to use LinkedIn.com. It also helps you to keep track of those things that you have already done by noting for you the profiles you've recently viewed, as well as those searches that you've recently done. It also allows you to write specific messages to individuals within your Sales Navigator, and you'll be able to keep track of and archive those messages on an ongoing basis as long as you have access to Sales Navigator. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.